Take my love, take my land, take me where I cannot stand.
You just got a speeding ticket.
USA even today.
Front, who decided to come flying past me into the tunnel, just drove straight past the speed camera. My best guess, he was doing 100 in an 80 zone, so he's got to have a nice chunk of a fine.
Michael,
he's a normal goddamn human being. Yes, I mean, you know, you talk about football, you talk about just shit in general.
Well, there you go.
Shit. What the fuck? Look at this absolute idiot. Don't you fucking moron. What a absolute dickwad. What the hell is wrong with people that they think it's okay to do this shit? Don't do it, dude. Don't. I'm right here. I'm right fucking here. You idiot. Don't do that.
He really was the dragon because he was able to breathe fire. And we had to have, you know, you had to have people down to put the flame out afterwards.
What
and all.
Moron. What a dickhead. What? Look at this fucking idiot. Right? What the hell are you doing? You couldn't wait 2 seconds to change lanes. And to what point? You're not going anywhere. Oh, God. Can everyone stop trying to change lanes? Wing nuts.
So early on in his career that he was, you know, Bill Watts' kid, and he was labeled that stigma that some people were like, fuck him, he's Bill Watts' kid.
Jesus Christ. Well, we found that indicator, didn't we?
Just didn't.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Dude up here holding up the overtaking lane in front of this white little caddy van. I think it's a Nissan Navara. But he's been holding it up for a while. Everyone's getting the shits. Here goes the Commodore. You've had enough of him. He's going around the outside. I'm about to do the same thing myself. Might be a Ford Ranger, actually. He just won't get out of the goddamn way, that's for sure. Come on, mold doctor, you can do it. There you go. Nope, it isn't. It's a Mazda. Oh, goddamn BT 250. And now look what he's done. The second the van went to overtake him, he's floored it to stop him being able to go around him. What a wanker. Absolute wanker in front of him. This guy right here is just literally doing everything he can to make sure no one else goes around him. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, yeah, fucking wonderful. Brilliant work, people. This guy is a total clown. You can see he's just sitting right next to me. Won't overtake, won't go behind. He just wants to hold the pack. You just hold the lane. Painful, painful, painful. I'm about to get traffic, and I'm about to get stuck behind him. Now he's slowing right down now. Oh no, the truck's going to get in front of him. Shit, this could work to my advantage. Nah. I was about to go around you, now I'm fucked. Look at him, he will not move. He's got knows I'm boxed in here, and he will not move. He will not overtake this truck because he doesn't want to let me go. He won't want anyone to go past him. Just will not move. Absolute idiot. Just won't move. Look at him. He's just going to sit right next to this truck. He's not going to overtake. And he's just going to slow it down, slow it down. This is this real wanker off the roads that just wants to sit in the overtaking lane and doesn't want anyone else to overtake. He'll sit next to this truck for the next 100 kilometers if he can. He just does not want anyone to go around him. Slowing down, he's got absolutely no reason to slow. He's slowing way down now. Total wanker. Just won't move. He might do a last minute dash here and exit. We'll have to see how he goes. This is the problem with people on motorways. It's not even busy. There's no need for him to be doing this. He's just one of these assholes who just does not want anyone to go past him. Maybe he feels like he's got a larger penis if he gets to dictate where the traffic is. He's the head of the queue, you can't go past me. This guy is a goddamn moron. I have an idea, bud. I have an idea. That's for sure. This fucking guy. Finally gonna overtake. Well, watch him speed up in 3, 2, 1. What is your fucking problem, mate? Get off the fucking road! What is your problem?
Ever met someone who is so extremely dumb that they don't know how stupid they actually are? Armed with an unhealthy bias of illusory superiority, these low-ability people cannot objectively evaluate their own mental shortcomings. In other words, they are too stupid to know how stupid they are.
Ugh. That may need to go on YouTube.
Anymore, and it's fun to do the show, man. But
Yeah, and it's fun to.
The fuck
I feel
are you
horrible when I send
doing?
you a text when I tell you, hey man, no, I think I'll be done at 4, and I'm
Fucking
sending you a
idiot.
text at 7 saying, yeah, it looks like it's not going to happen at least tonight. Hey, by the way, comrade, 4 o'clock ain't happening.
Good shot, Red Tooth.
What the? What an idiot.
And then the show opens with this awesome open. And then Lillian Garcia sings America the Beautiful. Jim Ross and Jerry Lawler are going to introduce the show. They go to the Spanish announce team, followed by Michael Cole and Taz. And then we do like a highlight montage.
Fuck
These movie spoofs, of course, Steve
shit.
Austin, Gladiator.
That's a fucking beauty. That stupid idiot puts their right indicator on. I'm waiting for him to change lanes and they hit the brakes and turn left. Oh, Christ. What a fucking idiot.